In today's top cryptocurrency news, December 07, 2022, in the first new, ECB official proposes ban on tokens with an excessive ecological footprint. EU officials previously rejected an outright ban on crypto mining, but the Markets in Crypto Assets Bill could require firms to report any potential environmental impact. In the second new, price analysis 12/7, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, LTC, UNI. The current weakness in BTC and major altcoins shows that investor sentiment remains negative and that bears are active at higher levels. In the third new, Meta powering through Metaverse plans, Nifty Newsletter, November 30th to December 6th. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg highlighted that the company is hopeful about the Metaverse despite costing billions of dollars. In the fourth new, Binance US eliminates trading fees for Ethereum. This announcement comes months after the crypto exchange removed all trading fees for Bitcoin transactions. In the fifth new, Cardano's MuesliSwap introduces Organic April, drawing praise, criticism. The new feature increases token emissions if more liquidity is put into the pool. Crypto Twitter is divided, to say the least. In the sixth new, Bitcoin options data shows bulls aiming for $17,000 BTC price by Friday's expiry. BTC bulls could secure a $130 million profit in the December 9th options expiry, but bears aim to balance the scales by keeping Bitcoin price below $17,000. In the seventh new, Representative Torres asks US GAO to investigate SEC failure to protect public against FTX. Torres is a crypto supporter who has questioned the performance of the SEC before. He has written new legislation on crypto companies' proof of reserves and commingling of funds. In the eighth new, the blockchain trilemma, can it ever be tackled? Blockchain trilemma is arguably the hardest technical problem to solve within Web3. How are blockchain networks approaching this? In the ninth new, Taylor Swift had a $100 million FTX sponsorship deal fall apart prior to its bankruptcy report. Celebrities in sports and entertainment including comedian Larry David, tennis star Naomi Osaka, NFL quarterback Tom Brady, and NBA point guard Stephen Curry promoted FTX. In the 10th new, why is Bitcoin price down today? Bitcoin price is down, trading below $17,000 and raising investors' worries that the bottom is still not in. In the 11th new, Zodia Custody launches service to protect users' crypto from exchange insolvency. The new service, Interchange, will provide an alternative to the pre-funding and margin models of cryptocurrency exchanges. In the 12th new, Ankr deploys $15 million to make users whole as Helio stablecoin recovers after exploit. Helio protocol had a total value locked of approximately $90 million before the incident. In the 13th new, Mazars says users' BTC reserves on Binance are fully collateralized. The scope of the AUP was limited to users' BTC holdings on Binance. In the 14th new, Into the Storm, the murky world of cryptocurrency mixers. A handful of obfuscation protocols are competing for the user base of OFAC, sanctioned Tornado Cash. In the 15th new, security in crypto comes from liquidity or the lessons we learned after FTX. Following the FTX fiasco, retail and institutional investors alike are now looking to draw valuable conclusions. In the 16th new, decentralized identity, proving it's really you in the 21st century. In the 17th new, was the fall of FTX really crypto's Lehman moment? Lehman Brothers' 2008 collapse nearly brought the world financial system to its knees. Does FTX really compare? Are such analogies even useful? In the 18th new, proactive sanctions can help spare the ecosystem, Chainalysis exec. Andrew Fearman highlighted the nuances of sanctions depending on who is involved, what is at stake and where they are coming from. In the 19th new, institutional investors still eye crypto despite FTX collapse. Data from crypto exchange Bitstamp shows that institutional registrations on the trading platform increased by 57% in November. In the 20th new, Bank of Russia wants to ban miners from selling crypto to Russians. The Russian central bank supports the idea of legalizing the crypto mining business, but only if miners sell their coins to non-residents of Russia. In the 21st new, BTC price hits new December low as Bitcoin dips 2% with Asia stocks. Bitcoin fails to hold $17,000 as BTC price correlation with Asia stocks stands out on the day. In the 22nd new, Japan recommends against algorithmic backing in stablecoins. The potential legal status of the Japanese Financial Service Agency's recommendation is not clear as the current legislation is silent on algorithmic stablecoins. In the 23rd new, Decentraland launches virtual property renting for landowners. The Metaverse platform announced that users who own land within Decentraland can officially rent out the rights to the space through the digital marketplace. In the 24th new, report outlines reasons why stakeholders are against CBDC. The American Banking Association highlighted that a CBDC issued by the US Federal Reserve lacks compelling use cases. In the 25th new, US lawmakers want State Department to justify crypto rewards and disclose payouts. The State Department should submit a report on the use of cryptocurrencies as a viable reward payout with evidence that suggests it's more encouraging for whistleblowers. In the 26th new, Gate.io pledges $100 million to revive crypto and rebuild investor confidence. With investors moving their funds away from exchanges into self-custody, market liquidity is an immediate threat to struggling crypto businesses. In the 27th new, 3 AC subpoenas issued as dispute grows over claims of Terraform dump. The bankruptcy judge has given approvals to subpoenas aimed at 3 Arrows Capital's leadership, while a new Terra Luna conspiracy has been floated. In the 28th new, Blockstream raises funds for mining at 70% lower company valuation. CEO Adam Back said the fresh funding will be invested into expanding the firm's mining capacity. In the 29th new, Nifty News, Winamp adds NFT support, Atari gets physical and more. Atari has teamed up with Pixels.com for physical NFT artworks, and Investopedia has given a rundown on NFT tax law. In the 30th new, Iran set to freeze bank accounts of women who refuse to wear a hijab. Iran's plan to freeze bank accounts reinforces the need for decentralized currencies to exist in tandem with cash and CBDCs. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.